everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! And for today's video, we're going to do DIY vlog again. And itong skirt na to ay i-transform natin into trendy top. So let's get started! So the first step na gagawin natin, guys, is we're going to remove the zipper, which is I already removed it. Tinastas ko lang siya. And then also we're going to remove this one gamit ang seam ripper natin para mas madali yung pagtatastas natin ng ating, and we're going to remove also the belt, waistband or the waistband. And to make it neat yung fabric natin, kailangan natin siyang i-iron, of course, para ma-clear out yung mga sheared part niya. For the overall size of the skirt is 30 by 78 inches. So, para siyang 2 yards ata. So, bale, dalawang damit yung nagawa ko dito. I'm going to link yung part 2 nito. Okay? Please check it out. So, for the measurement, we're going to measure 3.5 for the neckline. Downwards is 5.5. And for the shoulder part is 3 inches. And pwede nyo din siyang lagyan kung gusto nyo. And then downwards is for the armhole, measure it 8 inches. Depende na din yung parang curve line nyo. It depends na lang sa inyo, guys, okay? And then for the desired length of your top, depende na lang sa inyo. For me is 17 inches. Mula dun sa pinaka-una niya. So, 17 inches. Okay? For the next step, guys, is we're going to trace the upper part of the front bodice into another fabric para dun sa square neck natin para maging malinis yung pagkakatahi niya. Okay? After sewing the square part of the top is we're going to cut dun sa may curve lines niya, guys. Huwag yung kakatan ng sobra-sobra yung aabot na dun sa may tahe, bawal. Hindi. Dun lang sa may malapit lang para pagka turn over nyo, pagka baliktan nyo yung damit is maganda yung pagkaka-square niya. For the back naman, guys, is we're going to trace lang dun sa may front pero iba yung neckline niya. So, depende na sa inyo. Ang ginamit ko is 1.5 inches dun sa may neckline niya. Okay? And then you're going to cut it. Same steps lang din dun sa may front bodice nang ginawa natin dun sa may neckline niya, guys, ha? And after natin i-overlocking or hemming yung sa mga raw edges natin is we're now going to sew the shoulder part by connecting each sides, guys. Okay? I-open lang natin yung tinahin natin sa may shoulder niya. And then after that, we're now going to sew the sides and also we're going to hem the hemline. For the sleeves naman, guys, we're going to cut 21 inches long or depende na din kung gusto niyo ng mas super ruffled habaan nyo pa. and then 14 inches width. And then we're going to cut it into 4 pieces and connect the two, and then we're going to sew or hem the sides. Okay, and then after that we're going to make some ruffles na. After that, we're going to spread evenly the ruffles, guys, okay? Para maganda siya tingnan doon sa my sleeves natin. And then after natin siyang i-spread is we're going to connect it now into the armhole of the top. And then we're now going to sew it. To finish the crop top, guys, is we're going to put some elastic thread on it para mag-sheer dun sa my waistline niya, okay? And two times ko siyang sheer part para ma-sheer siya, okay, guys? And then we're now done with this DIY video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos ko or bagong DIY vlogs ko. And let's now see